హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఆన్లైన్ విద్యా గురు. సో లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ యాజ్ పర్ ఇట్స్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అందులో భాగంగా సింపుల్, కాంప్లెక్స్, కాంపౌండ్ అండ్ కాంపౌండ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ సెంటెన్స్ గురించి క్లియర్గా వీడియో చేయడం జరిగింది. సో అయితే ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో వాటికి సంబంధించి ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో లెట్ మీ బిగిన్ దట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ ఐడెంటిఫై సింపుల్, కాంప్లెక్స్ అండ్ కాంపౌండ్ and complex sentences in the given examples. Here see the first example, I like apples and he likes mangoes. I like apples and he likes mangoes. So here in this sentence we can understand that here I like apples. So what kind of clause it is? It gives us complete meaning. So it is independent clause. And he likes mangoes, it gives complete meaning. So it is also one independent clause. And these independent clauses or these main clauses are connected with conjunction end. What kind of conjunction it is? It is coordinate conjunction. So definitely it is. So there are two main clauses and these two are connected with the coordinate conjunction end. So it is a compound sentence. So what kind of sentence? It is a compound sentence. You can see another example. So when he came home, his mother was cooking. When he came home, his mother was cooking. So in this sentence we can identify two clauses. They are when he came home, one clause, his mother was cooking, one more clause. Here which clause gives us incomplete meaning? This clause, when he came home. What would happen? We don't know. So it gives us incomplete meaning. So it is dependent clause. Whereas his mother was cooking, it is main clause. And these two clauses are linked with a conjunction, that is when. So one main clause, one subordinate clause, and it is subordinate conjunction. So can you remember what kind of sentence it is? Yes, it is a subordinate, it is complex sentence, because you know the definition of complex sentence. So a clause that consists of one main clause, one or more subordinate clauses connected with the subordinate conjunction. So that is a complex sentence. Next we will see the next example. So they played cricket very well. They played cricket well. So here in this sentence, what is the subject of this sentence? They. It is the subject. Then what is the predicate? So played cricket well. So it is predicate part. And does it give complete meaning? Yes, it gives us complete meaning. So it is a simple sentence. It is a simple sentence, because already we discussed that a simple sentence is also called as independent clause or main clause. So why? Because it gives us complete meaning. So that's why they played cricket very well. So this sentence is a simple sentence. Next, so he likes English because it is interesting. He likes English because it's very interesting. So which clause doesn't give us complete meaning? Because it is interesting. So it is dependent clause, whereas subordinate clause. So which is main clause in this sentence? He likes English. It is main clause. Then what is the conjunction of this sentence? Because. What kind of conjunction it is? It is a subordinate conjunction. So one main clause, one subordinate clause, and connected with the subordinate conjunction. So it is also a complex sentence. It is also a complex sentence. You can go through another example. It became dark, so we could not play. It became dark, so we could not play. So here what is a conjunction? So it is a conjunction. What kind of conjunction it is? It is coordinate conjunction. It is coordinate conjunction. So the two clauses in this sentence are it became dark is one clause, we could not play is one more clause. So here these two clauses are main clauses, are independent clauses, because they give us complete meaning. So this sentence is called as a compound sentence. You know what is a compound sentence? A compound sentence consists of one or more main clauses connected with the coordinate conjunction. Next, she makes a kite. She makes a kite. What is the subject of this sentence? She. So what is the predicate part? makes a kite. So it is a simple sentence. It is a simple sentence, or it is an independent clause also. It is an independent clause or main clause. Next, the seventh example. She woke up in the morning and brushed her teeth though everyone else was sleeping. Shall we identify the clauses in this sentence? So she woke up in the morning. So up to here one clause. She woke up in the morning and brushed her teeth, one clause. Though everyone else was sleeping, here one more clause. So then see, what kind of clauses are there, are those here. See, she woke up in the morning, so it gives us complete meaning. So it is main clause or it is independent clause. Brushed her teeth, so this is also a main clause. Though everyone else was sleeping, it doesn't give complete meaning. So it gives complete meaning by depending on the remaining two clauses in this sentence. So it is dependent clause or it is subordinate clause. So then what kind of sentence it is? So here two main clauses, in addition to that one dependent clause. So it is compound complex sentence. Compound and complex sentence. Next, you can see the last example. So Lata as well as Bindu passed the test. So Lata as well as Bindu passed the test. So here also we can see two main clauses and the conjunction is as well as. So what kind of conjunction it is? It is a coordinate conjunction. So definitely it is a compound sentence. It is a compound sentence. So this is the exercise about simple, complex and compound and complex sentences. So in the next video we are going to discuss, so what are the rules so that we need to follow to convert sentence from simple to complex, complex to compound. సో ఆ వీడియోని మీరు మిస్ కాకుండా ఉండాలంటే ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికి షేర్ చేయండి, మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. బట్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ ప్రెస్ ఆన్ బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.